Hi guys, this is, in my opinion, will be very best protection for these new viruses, mutated viruses coming down on us, which is, in the end of this video, I'm attaching another one with playlist all about copper. And this mask, what I'm pointing right now for you, it's a tummy copper mask, copper infused mask, and it does have pocket already. Describes this, where to get this mask, for what money, described in one of my videos. Very comfortable, you have adjustment to go around ears, and it means it can fit any face, and look at that, it's already have pocket to go inside, and inside pocket, and inside this pocket you can easily slide copper filter, which is again described in one of my videos from that playlist. And this is so easy, the size just right of this copper filter. It's filter by itself, plus mask is have copper infused properties as well. And all that is explained to you already, what copper property does, why it's catching virus so fast. And I believe this is a very best protection, this copper filter, in combination with this copper infused mask. But again, you can put it pocket to hold this copper filter in any mask. That's what we're gonna do now. Hi guys, remember these filters? Finally getting back on the track with pandemic. I do realize what I kind of let it go a little bit because vaccine come up, and I thought, okay, we finally saved. No, we're not, because 2 more or 3 more versions of COVID coming down on us right now, and already scientists and doctors told us what vaccine probably not gonna work with this new vaccine, and they have to modify vaccine to work on it. And this is much more dangerous one, much more quick spreading around. That's why I have to get back on all this my videos. And you remember this copper, our last interest, because we already come up with all kind of masks, solving, not solving, it's like 20 of them on the channel. You can subscribe or just punch that button of channel, not a button, name of channel, click on it below video, and it will take you to channel page. Click on the videos, and it's scroll down, you have all kind of masks. But what I will do, last our interest was towards the copper, because copper have those miracle properties which is help to fight virus, absolutely miracle properties. And I have quite few videos about how scientists explain that and what it is. And finally I even have video how to shop for copper filters online. It's a separate video I'm putting right above my talking. Pay attention to all these lines running, white lines on the top of screens. You can click on each one, it will take you where you need to be. And in the end of this video, I attach playlist committed just to copper only, because I believe it's this new crazy virus, South Africans they call it, most dangerous one of all 3 new ones, Scotland one, British one, and now South African one. No, well, the South African more dangerous of all, and I believe copper will do just fine. And I do intend to order it fabric of copper fabric, what I can make whole mask from copper fabric. But right now what I have, it's a perfect pending pattern for and very inexpensive copper filter. And again, find in that playlist video how to get it, where to get it, how much it costs. And the size is just perfect as well, cover your nose and mouth at the same time and provide good provision. And what I gonna do to put this pocket for this copper filter in my latest mask, which is 5-7 minutes to make it. Absolutely no fog mask, and absolutely as easy as can get. Again, right above my talking white line, click on it, it will take you right there, or in the end of this video will be exact instruction how to make this mask. Another video attached to this one. And well, let's just put this pocket on. What we're gonna use for pocket? I'm gonna use my favorite as well, polypropylene fabric. Again, on the video I explained to you it's a special medical fabric which is very good, make it very good filter, and that's exactly what use in the surgeon masks. And well, because it's filter by itself, no reason to sew cotton just to have pocket. How about we use filter for another filter, make it extra protection for us, right? Plus just the cotton 2 layers provide us 30%. This is 2.5. It's mean it's mean like about 90, at least 90% this protection will provide for you. Plus this filter, well, you will be just fine. Just like N95 and more, you will have protection. How big piece to cut it? We need to stitch to make, you don't, because it's no running material, you don't need to layer twice. It's, trust me, it's going through washing perfectly. Perfectly. Just make sure it's on delicate, in the sink by hands. You're washing your mask. It's gonna last longer, and you don't have to pass too long, like about ½ inch to pass size of this existed patch. That's what we're gonna do. And just open up your mask and place in the middle there. Of course, it's much more comfortable to do it while masks is not ready yet, which is, again, look to that video, which is I'm touching it, and it will tell you exactly how to put it, this pocket. Yeah, I did show to you in one of those videos how to attach this kind of filter inside mask already. Now you can skip it because we have better copper one, and this you can skip this filter inside the mask and just put outside like that. Well, this can be taken in and out and wash separately. And you just place right there in the middle and stitch. You don't have to stitch all around, just top and bottom. And that's it, you got it. And because this copper filter, it is so, by the way, copper part going outside, okay, not to your nose, outside, because this is kind of resistance to this mask is one of my very probably first ones, or I don't know, beginning of this pandemic, like beginning of summer, still have it going in. Even that filter sewing inside. Remember that big pocket over there? I showed that shot because it was keep opening for me. That was the time, beginning of summer, that we was just experimental making masks. This is a mask what I made on mass production mask videos, if you remember, and still working great, because as long as this wash on the delicates, it will go through everything. And when you, again, I just attach pocket to go to that for copper filter, and when you put it, make sure it's facing copper, facing that way, outside of mask. It's mean when you slide in here. I don't believe I slide last one is properly. No, well, that's why I will redo it, and this is the proper way to slide it. Copper facing in this way, okay, in that pocket. And this pocket can be added to any kind of mask. And you know, because me, I like to go around neck and head, because everything going around ears bothered me. But if you don't, just whenever go around the ears. But if for long haul, it's like doctors wearing for 8 hours working shift, better go around your head. And again, all kind of instructions, how long, how make this piece, skip elastic, how to make all that, all instructions on my channel already. And this is just Ulsan type working for me perfect. And yes, because of filter, when you wash it, you pull out this piece out. Hi, baby. You pull out this piece out, and then you wash it, separate them, and make sure it's dry. With no mold, dry properly. Have like 5-10 of them around. If you have family, like you have 30 of them, 5-6 for each one. Was they dry properly without making any mold, and you will be just okay. In this kind of pocket, you can add to any mask you have. Doesn't matter, manufactured one, just a simple dollar surgeon one, or they even go into 50 cents now. To add extra pocket to, if you don't have this polypropylene fabric, because again, on my channel you can find a video where to get it in for so cheap, like dirt cheap, and good quality, which can go through all washings. But if you don't have it, just add piece of cotton, something, or piece of t-shirt, cut some kind of pocket, stitch like I just did right here, and slide this copper piece. This is a lifesaver. And again, please find my playlist about copper, and it will give you answer where to get them and what it costs, but it's really inexpensive. And because it have some little stiffness to it, make sure it's all comfortable and laying just without any kind of wrinkles inside your new pocket. Because it have little stiffness to it, you still keep your ulcer shape of your mask. Ulcer shape of your mask, what nothing when you wear this mask, nothing touching your nose and mouth. Especially it's important when you, as you can see how laying it's nice inside. It's nothing gonna touch your nose and mouth, because it's very important, especially if you wear for long haul, like you're wearing for job, for all day long. No, well, and again, please subscribe, please go on the channel. It's like 30 videos committed just to pandemic. maybe even 40. I have like 180 of them on the channel already, almost 180, and at least 40 of them, at least a good amount committed to this pandemic with all kind of instructions, disinfectants, where to get them for as cheap as possible, how fast making masks and all of it. And subscribe please, because what I'm working next on it, for my friends who don't sew at all, I will try to come up with, I already have few no sew type mask. I will go back to those videos and maybe I can make it better, even to rake my brain a little bit better and dig my brain a little bit deeper and come up with a different mask and how to attach pocket without any kind of sewing for copper padding, because I believe that copper filter is very important, especially when this new virus is coming our way. Okay guys, thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, but you will not miss none of it. A lot of stuff coming. What next coming? How to recycle your old jacket, how to make dog coat out of it. That's coming next. I just make that video. Thank you guys for your